Enabling two-factor authentication on Postmates adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the menu option in the app. Look for the Account or Settings section to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Within the Account settings, locate the Security or Privacy section. This is where you will find options related to account security. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Toggle the switch to enable it and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Verify your phone number. You will be prompted to enter your phone number if you haven't already. Enter your number and follow the instructions to receive a verification code. Input the code to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Postmates account, enhancing your security.